Hello, and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 7th grade concept of comparing two populations. This is standard 7.12c in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 20 of the 2023 released STAAR test. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. Alright, so we've got a double bar graph with the black bars being college X, the gray bars being college Y, and they are talking about their preferred study times. And we have four statements here, and we need to find which one is best supported. And it says needs to be the inference, so it might not be exact, but let's go ahead and just put a little bit of thought into interpreting this real quick. Right, so morning. Let's put some numbers on here. So I've got 8, and I'll go ahead and just write right on top of it. So I've got 8 right there, I've got 4 right there, I've got 3, and I've got 7, I've got 2, and that looks like that's going to be 9. Yeah, that's 9. Okay, so we've got just some basic numbers. Now let's see which of these statements is going to be true. There are more students who attend college X than students who attend college Y. This has to do with study times. If we take a look at our question at the top, it says randomly selected students from 2 different colleges were surveyed about their preferred study times. Now, college X, if you were to put my dark ones together, right, that's 8 plus 3 plus 2. That's going to be 13, right? My college Y is going to be 4 plus 7 plus 9. That's going to be 20. So first off, even if I were to add the 2 different bars, college Y is more than college X, not the other way around. Secondly, these are randomly selected students. No college could stay open if there were only 13 students or 20 students. That's barely a class, let alone an entire university. So no, we can make no inferences about how many students attended college. This just represents the number of students that were randomly selected for the survey, not the total number of students. B, the mode time preference for studying among students who attend college X is the morning. Okay, so mode, right, this is the most chosen or the most popular. Okay, so the most chosen, that's simply going to be the tallest bar for college X. Okay, that's going to be this dark one. Is morning. Well, yeah, that actually looks pretty good. Most of the college X people chose, this morning time, 8, which is much bigger than that 3 or the 2. So yeah, that's looking pretty good. Obviously, though, we're not just going to just choose that. We need to go ahead and verify that the other 2 are incorrect. So let's check C. More students who attend college Y like to study in the evening than in the morning and afternoon combined. Okay, let's see. So like to study in the evening, college Y, this is 9. That's more than morning and afternoon combined. So morning is 4, afternoon combined. So that's 9 is greater than 4 plus 7. No, because that merely means 9 is greater than 11. That doesn't work. All right, so C doesn't work. Let's just verify our D here. The percentage of students who prefer studying in the morning or afternoon is equal to the for the students attending college X or Y. Okay. Percentage of students for morning or afternoon is equal for X and Y. Okay, so let's look at those 2 real quick. So my morning or afternoon, let's go back to my numbers here. Right, so that's going to be 11 for college X out of 13. And then for college Y, that is going to be 11. But here's the difference. Denominator is different. So the same number of students chose morning or afternoon for college X or college Y, but the percentage would have to be out of that fraction. And the fraction is different because more students from college Y were surveyed. So it's not going to be D. So my answer here is going to be B.